Okay guys, just a quick update. I'm going to show you where the next point to catch a nice bounce will be, why everybody has it wrong. Most people are showing this. This is absolutely incorrect. Remember, you can access all these live charts on the website, pin in first comment description. My big affiliate links also pin in first comment description as well. By the way, if you do sign up, you will get access to the charts right away, but I'm going to be busy today, so if you shoot me an email so you get an invite to the Discord or for Twitter to follow me, I'm going to be busy, so it'll be later before I get to your emails. But let's get on to this, guys. So this is a pattern most people are drawing, saying this is a pattern we just broke down. No, not quite, not yet. So for instance, this guy, Satoshi Stacker, 270,000 subscribers, probably all wrecked, because they're giving you stuff like this. They're saying, look, this is your resistance, which, you know, patterns can only take you so far. You need to be able to chart a different way to outsmart the market makers. He's saying this was your resistance. Well, you missed your short at 25K. This is the support that he's showing. This is incorrect. Let me show you how it really is. So this is the M1 chart I've been talking about. That's where I told you guys to short when we make contact with this line. Take note, let me zoom out a bit. If you notice right here, this ended up being our resistance, and this ended up being our support. So this is the pattern we're in. So let me show you how this played out. We hit this line here, rejected, rejected, rejected. And notice we got rejected again. That's why I knew that we were coming down, because if we cannot get above this point, this means the same thing that played out back here is going to play out here. And we know our support level is right here. This is our support, right? Support, support. This is our resistance. Resistance is where I told you guys to short at 25K. So your next support level is down here. Now this is on the daily. This hasn't updated yet. We're down here somewhere, but I'm going to give you the support level. But basically, this is a pattern. Let me go to this actual chart. And by the way, this is a video where I told you guys to short at 25,174 when you make contact with this line. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. So again, like I said, this line right here, this is the pattern we were in. This line right here was our support, right? And this line right here was our resistance. So this is the pattern we were in. Resistance, support, 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 resistance, resistance. This is where I told you to short at 25,190 around that area. And your support is right here. This is the pattern we are in. So this is where you're going to catch a bounce, potentially to push up to this point. So, and I'll show another chart in confluence with that target. So now your resistance, if we push up, is likely going to be around 23,000. This is also where the 200-week moving average is. This is, again, this is where you should have shorted, and this is the next point to catch a bounce, right around 21,000, around that area. And again, if we push up, this would be an ideal point short around 23K. This chart was also in confluence. Notice we came down from a perfect support in this ring. However, and again, this P1 chart and M1 charts charted completely different, but we got matching support levels, right at 21,000. And you got the M1 chart at 21,000. So that is where you go in. You would chance a long up to potentially 23K. Let's move on. I mentioned this before in the previous video. The Dow Jones, every time we hit a white ring, we get rejected, right? Pushed above it a bit, rejected. Push above it a bit, rejected. Push above it a bit, rejected. Rejected, push above it a bit, rejected. We're right at this point right now, so I think we have a lot of downside for the markets. You can see the Dow is already down 247 points, which means we have a lot of downside. However, you got to keep in mind, we will get bounces on the way down. I do not think we broke it down from this pattern yet. When we do, then that downside target I gave you on the P1 chart in previous videos will come into play. But I do think this would be a point to go into a long around 21K, because I have two charts in confluence. And if we do push up, this will be the point you'd want to chance another short. But guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to get into leverage trading, use Bigot. Love the platform. If you deposit a certain amount of money, you can get $4,163 to trade with for free. Again, my link's pinned in the first comment description. If you want to access these charts, website's opticrypto.com. Link's pinned in the first comment description as well. $49 a month, get access to the Bitcoin charts, altcoin charts, Discord, and Twitter. And by the way, guys, if you shoot me an email, I might not be able to get to your email till later on today. That's it. Stay safe, stay smart. I'm out.